Excuse my horse, it's rather voice. If you're over 40 and you want to retire, the easiest digital side hustle in 2026, something you can earn from anywhere without being techy. This is it. I'm going to show you a simple, no fluff system that can reach 1500 a month by doing something that businesses are already desperate for. This is how most people make money online. Ideas fall into two buckets. They either take months before seeing a dollar, or they require skills they don't have time to even learn. And if you're 40, 50, or and beyond, you probably want something a little simpler. Something that fits around your work, family, a real life so you can retire. In this video, you're going to learn the easiest digital service to start after 40, how it realistically becomes a 1500 month into a 1500 weeks, the exact tools and steps, even if you have no skills and you're not tech savvy. And number four, how to get clients, whether you live in the US, Canada, or anywhere in the world. This is one of the most practical ways to earn an income from home in 2026 because you don't need a big audience. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to show your face. Okay, so what's the easiest digital side hustle after 40 in 2026? AI assisted short form content reposting for local businesses in your area. Here's the concept. Businesses already have content. Zoom calls, podcasts, YouTube videos, live events, testimonials, Facebook, but they don't have time to turn those videos into 10 or 30-second short clips that social media rewards. So your side hustle is very simple. Take one long video, cut it into multiple shorts, add captions and hooks, deliver them, ready them, and post them. You're not becoming a creator, you're becoming a person who makes posting consistent and easy. It's a process based, not personality based. It's not physically demanding. It's a real business service with clear value. You can work in the evenings, weekends. You can do it fully remote, truly earn an income from home. Now you're wondering, how can this side hustle reach 1500 weeks, let alone 1500 months? You reach 1500 weeks by landing 4 to 6 monthly retainer clients. Let's make that part real. This model works because it's reoccurring business. You don't want one clip. They want ongoing visibility. Here are beginner-friendly packages you could offer. A starter package, 8 clips per month for 500. A standard package, 16 clips. That's 1K per month. Or maybe the premium package, 24 to 30 clips per month. That's 1500. Multiply that by however many customers you get. If you get 6 customers, those are some pretty nice numbers. So you get a 1500 week, you want about 6K a month. 4 clients, 1500 a month, 6K a month. 6 clients at 1K per month. 6 months, 6K. And here's the best part. Once you have a workflow, each new client becomes easier to handle. Later, you can outsource basic editing and keep the margins. This is where people start calling it passive income, even though the honest truth is it begins active, but it becomes passive or semi-passive as you systemize your process. What skills and tools do you actually need if you're not skill savvy? A basic computer skills. Well, you need some basic computer skills, and I mean basic. A simple tool stack, automated to do all the work. You do not need professional editors in 2026. Tools do a huge chunk of all the heavy lifting, especially captions and clip sections. Here's a simple starter stack. CapCuts, Opus Clips, Canva for designs and templates, Google Drive, Notion, a repeatable workflow, easy parts. Clients send a long video file with a link to you. You cut them up into 8 20 strong moments. Add captions, clean hooks, export the right format, deliver it in a folder loaded by dates. Optional add-ons increase your rate. Write 1 to 2 caption options per clip using an AI, then human polishing. That's it. One of the cleanest ways to make money online. without trying to brand yourself. How do you get clients fast, especially if you're over the age of 40? Target businesses that are already creating long-term content and offer them a free sample clip to prove how quickly you can work. If you want this to work quickly, don't pitch the business. Start with people who already are recording something, even if it's messy. Realtors, mortgage brokers, gyms, personal trainers, dentists, chiropractors, lawyers, coaches, local trade businesses in your area with YouTube how-tos and Facebook how-tos. And yes, you can absolutely make money in Canada, US, or wherever you live, all remotely, thanks to digital marketing and digital business. It makes your part of the business much easier by being able to do it anywhere in the world, as long as you have the internet. Now you're probably wondering, what's the easiest way to land your first client? Send one simple clip to 30 different prospects. Here's your exact message. I watched your video on whatever topic. I turned a short highlight into a 45-second vertical clip with captions that's all ready for reels and shorts. Want me to send it over? If you like it, I can do 8 to 20 more clips. If you like it, I can do 8 to 20 clips per month. So you don't have to think about posting it. Why this works? It's not a sales pitch. It's helpful proof. The business owners immediately see that they're paying for your selling time saving. What they're paying for? You're selling time saving consistency, not value marketing. Here's a mini tip. If you're nervous about pricing, start with one simple offer. I can do 8 clips per month for 500. Then raise the price as you get more results and more testimonials. Google Maps. Search for realtors near you. Facebook marketing. Visual clues, client targets, realtors, clinics, coaches, gyms. If you want my exact starter package and toolkit, comment ready and I'll drop it in the comments. And if your goal is to make money from home and build income that eventually supports early retirement, subscribe because this channel is all about practical, realistic savings. I also have multiple programs in my school community. Many of them are freebies that I give away. The freebies don't create a large income, but on the other hand, they're free. Many of them are day-to-day activities that you're already doing. So quick recap. The easiest digital side hustle to start after age 40 in 2026, AI-assisted short-form repurposing. You help businesses turn long videos into consistent short content, charge a monthly retainer, and scale towards 1,500 weeks with just a handful of clients. Make sure you watch my next video for other tips and ways to create an income. Thanks for watching, and make sure you watch the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.